Hello everyone. I bought these herbs, guys. This one is parsley and this one is mint. And I wanted also to buy the basil, but they have not basil or basil. They have not, guys. So, itong dalawa lang na ito ang nabili ko. And the other one, this one is a plant. Yes. Kasi gusto kong maglagay ng plant, guys, dito sa loob ng bahay namin. That's why I started collecting plants. So, bumili ako ng dalawa. Ito at saka yung isa that I'm going to show you later because nasa ano na siya, guys. Nasa living room na siya. And yun nga, guys, I'm going to put this into a bigger pot. Yes. Para as in lalaki pa siya. Yes. So, ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda niya. And this mint is so good. So refreshing, guys. If you can touch just like this and then you smell it. Oh, so good. And this one, guys, ang plano ko ito, guys, tong dalawa na to, I'm going to put it here, somewhere here. I'm going to put in our kitchen, guys, para pag magluto ako, something like that. And if I need these fresh herbs, di kukuha na lang ako. Yes. So, yan, guys. Hello, guys. So, this is the one, guys, that we bought. This is the other plant that we bought. Ayan. It is really so nice. Bili na lang ako ng pot niya, guys. Sana may mahanap ako na size niya. So, ayan, ang ating bagong plant. Hello guys, so I'm going out and I want to buy pot. Yes, I mean yung, how do you call this? Yung parang vase, guys, ng plant. Yes, para maganda siya. How do you call that? Please comment down below. Yes, and because I have to plant also my herbs, so I have to go and buy for those. So guys, dito na ako sa bazaar, guys. Mag-isa lang ako kasi si Hailey, she is having a snack and Lakota doesn't want to come. So ako na lang mag-isa ang lumabas. So guys, let's go. So mga sis, uwi na ako. Pakita ko na lang sa bahay kung ano yung mga binili ko. Yes. Hello everyone. So ito yung mga binili namin, guys. Dalawa ito. Yes, yan. Tapos dalawa din na ganito. Paglagayan, guys, sa plant. Kasi wala silang ano, guys, ibang pagpilian. Ang swangit ng nandoon. Tapos dalawa na ganito. And this one for my herbs. Ito, guys, for my herbs. Yes. So, guys, itong dalawang plant na ito ilagay natin dito. Yes. So, ito, guys, binigay ng florist. Regalo niya sa amin. Yes. And, yes, ito yung binili ko the other day. Kahapon pala. Ito ang binili ko kahapon. So, ilagay natin sila doon. So, pinalit ko, guys, yung isa. So, ganito ang binili ko, guys. Ganito. Parang baso siya na masetera. Yes, kasi guys, gusto kong ilagay doon sa countertop, sa kusina. Ganyan. Ganyan siya. Yes, ganyan siya, guys. So, nice. So, para dekorasyon at saka, ano na rin, guys, dekorasyon at saka herbs na rin siya. And I bought also one small sack. This one is 10 liters only, guys. And ito naman kay Habi, bumili din si Habi ng ganito for him. Yes. And also, ito, guys, for Russell, para sa ganon, he can stay with us inside of our house. Yes. And we also bought 2 of these, guys, kasi ubos na yung kanyang ginagamit na ganito. Para sa ano guys, para sa sahig. Para hindi mabasa yung sahig. And this one is absorbent also. And this one is absorbent also guys. So this is so nice. I bought this chalk paint guys, and the color is white. Yes. So parang ganyan guys ang kulay niya. So let's see, because I want to paint our center table guys. Yeah, sana kasya yan. If not, we're going to buy more. So bumili din ako ng ganito guys, plate, para dito ilagay ito. And dalawang paint brushes. Isang malaki and isang maliit. Yung maliit is to finish. Yes, to use it to the finished touches. Yes guys, so yeah.